Hello guys, welcome back to AR Recreations. My name is Purandar.
My name is Pushkarni. Today we are playing Monopoly. In before video we told that we will play Monopoly and we will explain all the rules and let us start it.
Before starting the video, we have read all the rules in the rule book, guys.
This is a book. Okay guys, I'll tell how to keep and how we will play the game. And in the first step is we should keep the cards in colors and by ascending order, guys. One in color we should keep because we will not confuse. We will not confuse. Okay guys, this is the event cards and this is property cards. And there is the event cards. Here is the event symbol. We should keep here. And what we should do?
This is the beautiful banking unit, guys.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you about this banking unit, guys. First, it is the speaker, and this is the ATM place, and we should put here batteries, guys. And here is the screw. We should open this screw and we should put the 3 batteries, guys. And okay, guys, we put already 3 batteries, guys.
These are the 2 shiny dice, guys.
Okay, guys, these are the tokens. It's like ATM cards registered. Okay, this I'm gonna tell about these token cards. This is we can play four members, guys. They'll give also some toys. This is a helicopter, guys. You can see that they give helicopter and car, guys. Car. Here is a car. And this is a ship, guys. Ship is here, guys. See, this is a ship. And the last but not least, this is the aeroplane, guys. Okay, guys, we can play 4 members, but we are 2 members, right? We're gonna take 2 cards. Which do you want?
I want helicopter.
Helicopter. If he took helicopter, he should take helicopter symbol. And it is my choice. I'm gonna take car because it's very comfortable to me. And these 2 cards we are not taking because there is only 2 members. Okay, guys. The first step is
We are placing our vehicles on go, guys.
because we should start from here. Okay, guys. I'm gonna explain once. These are the event cards, and we should place it on the event mark. These are the property cards. We should keep in colors because we will not get confused. Also in ascending order. See 1, 2. Okay. Okay, guys. If I'll tell rules, it's board, right? And I'll start, and you'll know how to play the game in. Now we're gonna start. Okay, guys, we forgot about one thing, just one. This is the home token, guys. While playing, we should keep here. While playing, we'll roll the dice. After that, we should buy. When we are buying this, we should buy and we should keep because it is our house, right? We'll not come to know who's.
First of all, we have to register our ATM cards in
Banking unit, guys.
banking unit, guys.
Okay, guys, we should register our ATM cards in this banking unit, and these barcodes we should keep here. We should press any button to start it. Okay, guys, now we are registering the ATM cards in this. We should press any button. I'm gonna press the middle button. It is started. And how to register? Here is the arrow mark, guys, and we should it is lighting, right? In the sensors, we should in barcodes we should keep like this. And first, the car is registered, and the car is registered.
And my helicopter have registered, guys.
And you can see that after that we should press the tick button. See guys, this is the. We have in our accounts, I have 1500 and he have 1500. Okay, I'm gonna keep this card. Okay guys,
Wait!
why?
Youngest one should roll the dice, Scarny.
But why?
In the rule book they have gave like that.
Oh. Okay guys, I thought that rock, paper, scissors, who goes first? Okay, but there's the rule in the book. Okay guys, let's start. I'm very sad.
I'll roll the dice.
Oh. How much?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes,
No.
yes. Okay guys, he got the jail guys. He should pay 100 rupee.
Okay, I
He
will.
went to jail. Okay guys, we should click this M. You can see that. Okay, we should click the M.
It will show jail.
We pressed two times because the jail comes, and he should keep his ATM card. And
Now
then
I'm
rupees will
keeping-
go. Oh. Okay, it's my turn.
7.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Okay guys, this is the map button. We should click again M button because okay guys, I landed on the map button, not button. Okay, we should click this M button. We should click at last because this, and I should keep my ATM card, and the 100 rupees will go. What is this? Oh, 1 second. Okay guys, I have 1500. Why? Because if we land here, we can go anywhere guys. I'm gonna go to Old Kent House because it's just 60 rupees. Rivers, and I'm gonna go. We can go anywhere guys. Okay, I landed here, and I should take the one property card one. Property 1, and I should take my also ATM card. And first this barcodes, right? We should keep here like this. Okay, and we should register it in our. We should register it in our ATM. And if it is in level 1, we should take this thing, and we should. It's upon my name, right? We should keep house.
At level 1.
Okay guys, by mistake I came to 3, and we can check also levels. See. Okay guys, we can keep the card and we can check the level. There is level 1, and we should keep this house here near the level 1. There are 5 levels guys. Consider 5 levels. Okay, if he comes and came here, he'll round up, right? And if he came here, he should pay rent. And I'll go to he should give 100 rupee or something. Should give cash, and he should give the rent.
It's my turn, guys.
Oh,
10 guys.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's 12 guys. Yeah, I'll buy it.
It's 220 guys. If we go more, if we move, it will come a lot of money. Okay, can you buy it?
Yeah, I'll buy it.
Here is the, we can't
12.
confuse because here is the red and here is the red. 12.
Yeah, I will buy it, guys. Okay, guys. I'll keep my ATM card.
Okay.
220 rupees gone, guys. Please give me my hat.
Okay, you should keep in level 1.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. He
Wait,
had
wait,
I am having 1340, and he is having 1180, guys. You can see that clearly. I think.
Okay, I'll check it.
Okay, level 1.
She'll come to my place means she should play.
If I come his place, okay guys, this is the car. First I register car rate, it will show car. Okay, I have amount 1340, and he helicopter, see this picture, and he have 1180. I have more. Okay guys, if he lost his money, I'm the winner because he don't have money, right? If he don't have money, okay. Okay guys, this is the number 12 property he buy, right? Okay, this is the number 12 property 12, and he have level 1, and if I land in his place, I have to pay 170, guys.
At last, who have
more property cards, they are the winners, guys. And I want to tell you a thing. I'll tell you when we should use event cards, and we forgot one rule about the unit, guys. See this sensor, right? This unit, if we keep in bright light or in the sunny, it will burn or blast.
Now it's her turn, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna roll the dice first. 6,
Then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay guys, I told that event card when we should use. Here is the event button, guys, symbol, guys. We should take one event card. We can take first card. Okay, here I'm gonna read the on the map topic. The new railway station gets the gone ahead. Tap this card, then one of your property card. Color set red. Okay guys, we will if we tap these barcodes here, and again we should take one our property card, and our level will increase. First we should keep this card. Okay, then we should tap this card, I think. Okay guys, you can see that I went to level 2. Can see that, guys? I went to level 2, guys. Okay, this house we should move near the level 2. Okay, this event card also we should keep with us. Okay guys, there is another rule we should keep. We use the event card only once because it is a rule.
It is him.
Okay, it is your turn. Roll the dice.
7, guys.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, guys. 17.
280,
Okay.
guys. $280. It's actually M, right? Because of that, it's dollars.
No, I won't buy that. Why? Because less money to you guys.
It's more money. Money, more. Okay, guys. It's our wish. We will buy or not. Okay, it's my turn. 4.
3.
Four.
Sorry, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna buy because $180. And where's the number 10, guys? We should take the number 10. Now this, what's the street name?
Street name.
Okay. Malabar. Okay guys, it is Marlborough Street. It is American. I think it's foreign. I can't understand. Okay, I gonna buy book on the. Okay, level 1. Okay, I'm gonna keep one house here. It's your turn, Purandar.
Listen to me. I'll do 9, guys.
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 22.
$400.
$400.
You gonna buy it?
Yeah, I'll buy it. Please take and give me 22.
You buy it?
Yeah.
This you did not buy, and you are buying more monies.
Okay.
Okay,
It's
it's your wish.
Okay. Please give me. Okay, guys. Now I'm buying it, guys.
Okay.
22. I'll take my ATM card, guys. 780, guys. Okay, I bought it, guys. Okay, guys. Now it is your turn, guys. Take it.
Okay, you guys have covered one thing. Okay, guys, you have the less money and 780 in his account, and in my account 1160. I should buy more cards, property cards.
9.
9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 260. Okay, I'm gonna buy it. Okay.
Okay, you take
What's the
that property
street
card.
name? Piccadilly. Yeah, something else. Piccadilly.
It's 16. Number 16 is that is 16.
Oh, okay. We're just in Maze, guys. 16, right? What is a Conventry Street? First, I should tap the property card and next. Okay.
Now it is my turn, guys.
I should go here. It is a surprise if I go here, guys. I'm gonna tell you a surprise.
Take and keep your hut.
Oh, forgot. Okay, it's your turn.
I'll roll dice. 7,
Seven.
guys.
One,
1,
two,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 4.
Western.
Yeah, I'll buy it, guys.
Western Road.
Yeah.
Western, just $100.
Okay.
Don't make it me
Okay,
laugh.
guys.
Okay, keep down it.
I'll put my ATM card. What's happening? I'll put property card. And I'll put ATM card. Okay. Please keep hut. Please keep hut.
Okay. Okay, it's my turn. Oh, a cow. Oh, it
Yeah.
went somewhere, the hut.
3. 1, 2, 3. Go to jail. Pay 100 rupees.
Okay, guys, from here we're gonna be going like this. Transmit. Okay,
Yeah.
just visiting. Okay. The step is take the M button. We should take the my card.
100 rupees went, guys.
Simple. Oh. Okay, guys, there is another rule. Is known is wait, I gotta tell you. If we go to jail, it's our wish, guys. We should pay, or we should roll like this thrice.
Same number.
Only once, guys. Same number. If I roll, it's have been come like this 6 6, and we can go out. It's like business. It's like business game type.
Now it is my turn, guys. 4.
One.
1, 2, 3,
Pall Mall.
4. Yeah, I'll buy it.
It's my favorite. Pall Mall. Number 6.
Yeah, take and give me. Number 6.
Okay, where is it? Number 6.
Okay, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna buy it first. Okay, guys, after buying only we should keep here.
Okay, guys. Now I buy it, guys. Now it is your turn, guys.
Give me the
Okay.
dice.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yo, you should
Once
pay.
our card. First, no. First, we should take number 12, guys. First, we should take the number 12. Take it. And next, the next is we should keep our card.
Okay. Yeah, for me 710 guys. My property
Level have raised because I paid the money. Okay, guys. I told surprise. I think it's take a lot of time for the surprise. For that, we are forwarding. The step is if I go to arrow mark and we should perfectly we came here. What we should do means it is a surprise. See, we should take here is the arrow mark, right? We should click this M button here. And if I click the M button and this came, and if I keep my card, see guys, it is the 200 will come more. I think 200.
This is the way to play Monopoly, guys.
Okay, guys, I think we told everything. And if you have any doubts, ask in our comments.
Okay, please.
Wait, we forgot one thing, guys. You have a lot of doubts. I think. See, guys, this is red. Every time it's on red, how to off it and how to restart the game. First, we should click the into button for 5 seconds. Okay, guys, now it went off. See, again how to start it. You click again the any button and we can come this arrow mark again. We can register it. Okay, again how to off. Press 5 seconds. See, automatically it's off.